Very good morning, everyone. I'm very happy to see you in this international seminar. Warm greeting from the beautiful city Bandung, West Java, Indonesia. The Honorable Director SEAMEO Secretariat, Dr. Ethel Agnes Valensula. Very good morning, Dr. Ethel. The Honorable Dr. Haris.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pak Haris. The Honorable Dr. Hamid Muhammad, the Director General of ECE, Primary School and Secondary Education, Ministry of Education and Culture, Republic of Indonesia. The Honorable, our keynote speaker, our panelists and moderator, Dr. Sheldon Shepherd, Board of Director of Asia Pacific Regional Network for Early Childhood, and then Professor Marik Tesa from University of Auckland, Professor Liu Hichan from Korean National University of Education from Korea, His Excellency Dr. Prakusal, the Director of Early Childhood Department, Ministry of Education, Youth and Sport, Cambodia, Professor Hui Tilam, I hope my pronounce correct, from Hanoi National University of Education, Dr. Ina Andriani, PhD, from University Pendidikan Indonesia, the Honorable Dr. Christine Chen, right now is the President of Association for Early Childhood Educator, Singapore. My close friend, Dr. Sandy Sanchez Montano, PhD, as a Commissioner on Philippine Commission on Women from Manila. Siva Andina as a moderator, my close friend also. The Honorable Dr. Wahyudi, Deputy for Program and Development, SEAMEO Secretariat, our distinguished guests, my fellow staff, and ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to welcome you on SEAMEO Secretariat and SEAMEO CECCEP joint webinar on early childhood education and parenting in response to the pandemic COVID-19. In this special occasion, I would like to thank to Dr. Ethel, the Director of SEAMEO Secretariat, for the trust and for the cooperation with SEAMEO CECCEP. SEAMEO CECCEP is the regional center for early childhood care, education and parenting under SEAMEO Council and being coordinated by SEAMEO Secretariat among the 26 centers in South Asia. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you in brief information about this webinar. The purpose of this webinar is to help the region respond to the challenges brought by the pandemic. As we know that the COVID-19 has changed the education landscape globally without exception. This COVID-19 keeps significant impact on early childhood care education. This is the reason why we held this webinar, to ensure that the result of this webinar should also be included in policy research forum of the SEAMEO. To all respected keynote speaker, panelists, and participants, I would like to express my gratitude for showing your interest to participate in this webinar. I hope this webinar will become a central place to develop guidance and to address the viewpoint of early childhood care experts in response of this pandemic. I believe that the connectedness and close relationship between of us show how we could gather around as a big family. It has been an honor for us that you are willing to share your knowledge and your expertise. I'm beyond blessing having you as a part of SEAMEO CECCEP. Ladies and gentlemen, I can inform you that there are more 45,000 participants registered in this webinar. Let me repeat it. There are more than 45,000 participants registered in this webinar, coming from 40 countries. I repeat, 40 countries, include Asia, Australia, America, Africa, and Europe. We are united by our commitment to improve ECE stakeholder awareness. As SEAMEO trademark, we are here to support our communities and to show our solidarity. Ladies and gentlemen, to conclude my remark, I hope we could gather valuable insight and perspective from the respective keynote speaker and panelists. I look forward to hearing your views and developing our discussion during this program. In the end of my speech, I would like to announce that SEAMEO Secretariat and SEAMEO CECCEP joint webinar on early childhood care education and parenting in response to the COVID-19 is officially open. Thank you very much and blessing you a pleasant webinar. Very good morning.